Yo, what's up everyone? Finally we finished the Hack the Future AI and Open Source Hackathon. Okay, let me tell a little bit about some insights. Here, what we achieved from the hackathon. To be honest, it was my first time organizing the hackathon, not participating one. I hope we did well. Okay, all the insights from the recent Hack the Future AI and the Open Source Hackathon. We hosted the hackathon on Devpost. It was from 21st to 27th January. 307 registered hackers from different regions, countries like Africa, Europe, Oceania, Asia, North and South America. The final 73 submitted open source and AI powered projects. 4.5k US dollars in prizes, including crypto coins, invaluable mentorships, 13 experts, judges selected from 33 applicants, and the most important part, 3 YC-backed founders joined as mentors and judges, and 1 ML engineering researcher with multiple publications. It's insane. During the hackathon, we streamed 3 live workshops to boost hacker skills, to help them to build things faster. And the cool part, zero marketing. Just post on LinkedIn, Twitter, yeah, that's all about it. And the one main sponsor, AI ML API, the startup that raised 3 million US dollars. As I said earlier, this is the first time organizing the hackathon. Yeah, end-to-end support with tutorials, helpful resources, open source projects, and last but not least, small but mightily organizing team. A huge thank you to everyone who participated and made this hackathon a success. So stay tuned for another more innovative events, hackathons. Yeah, I would thank you Vladislav, Shakhrai, our head judge, for helping me with everything from organizing, drafting, making plans, and also thank you Aashutosh, Sapkota, for helping me out during the hackathon, making banners, making posts, design, and etc. And also thank you Sergey from AIML API and we from Open Community. Okay, and the cool part here, you can just show up your projects here on LinkedIn or just on Twitter and tag us, Open Community, and also tag me. I will replay every repost. You can't just repost. We're also thinking about another stuff, kinda. Maybe we can gather all the reposts and make some giveaway. Yeah, why not? Go ahead. Also, all the submitted projects you can find on Devpost projects gallery. You can see the submitted projects. Interesting question. Should we do another hackathon in February? Your opinions? Go ahead and write your opinions. If you still didn't join our Open Community on Discord, go ahead and join right now. Here's the link. I'm sharing here. Okay, if you still join now, go ahead. Done. Also public voting already started, so you can just go to chillguy.devpost.com and vote for project. Let's see who wins. See ya.